Veganish.
So, you want to use some red meal, egg replacer, and about a cup. And then you do 2 cups of water. This is your dry batter. You're gonna use maybe 1/4 cup of any kind of plant-based milk. This is a seasoning that we put on the jackfruit. I'll show you a little bit more. This is your wet batter with the milk and seasonings mixed together. This is kind of what you want it to look like after you throw your jackfruit pieces into the batter. Then, this is pretty much going to be your final product. You're going to throw it into about a half pan, about a half a pan full of oil or grease, and cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Hold on, let me see if I can find you a can of jackfruit. This is just a quick overview of how to make you some jackfruit and still be able to use avocado oil and partake. You can use spelt flour or coconut flour, so you're not using a gluten flour. Again, you're using a plant-based milk. This is just another healthy alternative that you can use to heal yourself healthy. 1 meal at a time. Look at that. One more thing. Boom. Smells good. Throw that in right back. Look at that. Cook on one side for a little bit. Avocado oil does get your right temperature. And you can still do this during the cleanse. I mean, we don't recommend frying or using oil, but if you're doing the transitioning beginners alternative food and you're just trying to find alternatives to what you already eat, well, avocado oil is an alternative, right? These different kinds of flours is an alternative, right? And then the fact that you're cooking and eating with jackfruit is an alternative. Heal yourself healthy, have a nice snack. Make sure you put some everything sauce on it. Peace.
Veganish.